What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of The Scuba Driver. My name is Steven. If you haven't seen any of my recent videos, we actually have an Aston Martin now. Now, this isn't my car, but this is my good friend Kevin's car. And for the next few videos, or at least for a little while, we're going to be working on this car, getting it ready to sell and fixing all the minor details. I'll put a link in the description below explaining everything about that. But anyways, I just want to make a quick video today because I found something interesting about this car as I was messing around with it. Now, I knew it didn't sound stock and we knew it might have an aftermarket exhaust on it, so I kind of got up under there and found out, I gotta crawl under here, it actually does. It's got a custom exhaust down here. I believe it's called Larini Exhaust Systems. I kind of looked them up. They're a European company, and they make some pretty awesome exhaust for the Aston Martin. But anyways, I just want to give you guys a few sound clips of this car because, in my opinion, it sounds great. It sounds better than any other V12 that's been at my house. So anyways, here's a cold start on Aston Martin and some revs. So yeah, in my opinion, that sounds really, really good. It's definitely got a custom exhaust on there. Looks like it's maybe like an axle back, but I'm sure once we get under the car, we'll be able to see the rest of it. So just want to share that with you guys. I thought that was pretty interesting. So it's got the Ferrata wheels on there. We know those are very, very nice. And it has the custom exhaust on there. Looks like it's a European exhaust, but we knew there was something, but Kevin had never gone under there to look at it. So that's a really cool part about this car. Anyways, it sounds really, really awesome. It's a V12. How can it not? It's pretty cool just having a supercar in my garage in general. But anyways, if you guys are interested in some more Aston Martin content, we're definitely going to be bringing some very, very soon. We're going to start taking apart the car, probably starting with the headlight in a couple of days. So stay tuned for that video. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. If you want some more FRS content, some Aston Martin content, we got some more cars probably coming to the channel very, very soon. Consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.